Community missionaries.
If you want to preserve a community, then it is very important to lay foundation on our culture, on different aspects of our culture, whether it is cuisine, whether it is a dress, whether it is a language, whether it is the traditional things that we have practiced, even could be traditional sports or music. So the best way of doing so is with the community coming together. And we from the TTADC have believed that we have never, the previous government have never paid attention in building community halls and places where smaller communities also need to get together for the festivals, for their, it could be a cultural festival, it could be a youth meet, it could be a religious meet. So we have decided that here we will construct a 500 seated community hall, cultural hall, so that the people from the Monsom community can get together during their good time, during their programs, cultural events, religious events, and thrive as a community. So we have done that, and today was the foundation stone of this.
So language is a very crucial thing, and the fight for language is going on, especially Cockborough. When the government is saying they are suggesting for a new script for creating a new script, what is your reaction?
What script would that be?
They say a new script.
But they should specify what script.
They have not specified,
So
but
let
they
them
say,
specify.
like Chakma, they are coming with a new script for Cockborough. They have suggested for the intellectuals to come to
So
them.
who are these intellectuals who are going to suggest?
They have
Tell
not
them to
given
give. See, intellectuals cannot be those who only agree with you. Intellectuals have to be also accepted by society. And if those intellectuals are there, let them please come. Tell them that which intellectuals are going to develop the script for Cockborough. Then we will decide whether we agree with these intellectuals. But from whatever I know, most of these people have agreed, most of our students have agreed that we would prefer a certain script. And let them appear for exams in that. And if you want to develop an indigenous script, let them do that. But till the time that script does not happen, let at least our boys and girls write in a script that they want to, which is a Roman script. And I want to know who are these so-called intellectuals. I mean, by giving people awards does not make them intellectuals. Every year an award is given. Awards were also given by the British to those Indians who opposed the rights of Indians. But eventually nobody remembers those people. They remember those who stood by what was right for the future of our next generation. And finally I want to say something to all of you, that I have a lot of respect for the Prime Minister and the Home Minister, and I know that they have a soft corner for the indigenous people. And I do believe that if they are given the right information about what is happening in Tripura, they will understand the sentiments of our indigenous people. But there are some people who are giving a wrong picture to them, and I hope that they will interact with all of us and understand that our issue is not with individuals or parties, it's with certain groups of people which want to keep the indigenous tribes of Northeast, and especially in Tripura, deprived and keep us down, make sure that our children don't have a better future, so that they can rule over this.
Mubadra, is there any report as of yet about a member of delegation, 7 members who have been for Delhi?